Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Twitter or X age verification problem and remove the verify age pop-up. So this is helpful when the message keeps appearing and prevents you from using certain parts of the app. So first open up the X app and make sure you are signed in. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then open your profile. And then tap your profile picture and select edit profile. And from here, find your birth date and tap continue. So check that the birth date is correct and it matches your real age. Missing or incorrect age information can cause the verification message to appear. So make any needed changes, save them, then fully close and reopen the app. Next, log out of your X account and sign back in. After that, open settings and privacy, select privacy and safety, then tap content that you see. So review the available sensitive content settings and make sure that they are set appropriately for your account and age. So once everything is updated, restart the app again. The age verification pop-up should no longer keep appearing and you should be able to use X normally. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.